March 4, 2026 Morning Market Financial News Summary, Eastern Time, covering 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Eastern Time. Welcome to your market update. Before we begin, please subscribe for daily financial insights and market analysis. News 1: ECB holds rates, revises 2026 growth outlook lower. The European Central Bank kept its deposit facility rate at 3.75% as expected but cut its 2026 Eurozone GDP growth forecast to 1.2% from 1.5%. The euro fell 0.5% to 1.0720 against the dollar, while German 10-year bond yields dropped 8 basis points to 2.15%. News 2: U.S. Treasury yields slide on weak ISM services data. The U.S. ISM non-manufacturing PMI fell to 48.5 in February, missing the 52.0 forecast and signaling contraction. The 10-year Treasury yield plunged 12 basis points to 3.98%, its lowest since January. S&P 500 futures rose 0.8%. News 3: Oil prices surge 4% on major OPEC+ supply cut extension. OPEC+ agreed to extend its collective production cuts of 2.2 million barrels per day through Q2 2026, exceeding market expectations. Brent crude jumped to $88.50 per barrel, while WTI rose to $85.20. News 4: Nikkei 225 plummets 2.1% on stronger yen. Tech sell-off. Japan's benchmark index fell sharply at the open, driven by a 1.2% surge in the US dollar to Japanese yen to 147.80 and heavy selling in semiconductor shares following weak US sector data. The Topix index dropped 1.7%. News 5: Australia's central bank maintains hawkish stance, holds at 4.35%. The Reserve Bank of Australia kept its cash rate unchanged but warned that inflation remains too high and further tightening may be required. The Australian dollar rallied 0.9% to 0.6680. News 6: Gold hits record high amid rate cut speculation. Spot gold prices rose 1.5% to $2,150 per ounce, setting a new all-time high as weak U.S. data fueled bets on Federal Reserve rate cuts later in 2026. Silver gained 2.3% to $24.40. That concludes today's financial news summary. Stay tuned for market updates and have a profitable day ahead.